Navigation. Apps have multiple screens. Users move between them, navigate forward to see details, navigate back to return. Today we understand how to handle navigation in Android, both in traditional views and in Compose. Navigation is moving between destinations. A destination is a screen or content the user can reach, a home screen, a detail screen, a settings screen. Navigation forms a graph. Destinations are nodes, transitions are nodes, transitions are edges. Users traverse this graph. The backstack tracks navigation history. Each navigation adds to the stack. Back removes from it, press back, the current destination pops. The previous one shows empty stack, the apex sits. Android provides a navigation component. It handles navigation, backstack, arguments, animations, a unified API across fragments and Compose. You define a navigation graph, destinations and actions between them. The component manages the rest. Nav controller is the core object. It performs navigation. It tracks the backstack. Nav host displays the current destination. It swaps content as you navigate. In Compose, use navhost to set up navigation. Navhost, navcontroller equals navcontroller, start destination equals home, brace composable, home screen composable, detail screen close brace. Each composable call registers the destination. The route string identifies it. Navigate with navcontroller.navigate details. The navhost shows detail screen. Pop back with navcontroller.popBackstack, or just press the back button. Create nav controller with remember nav controller val nav controller equals remember nav controller. This creates and remembers the controller. Pass it to navhost. Navhost navcontroller equals navcontroller. Pass it to screens that need to navigate, or better, pass only lambda callbacks. Do not pass navcontroller deep into the hierarchy. Pass navigation actions as lambdas instead. Screens often need data. Show details for item 42. Load user with ID ABC. Define arguments in the route. Composable details / item ID type equals navtype.intType. The route includes a placeholder. Navigate with the argument navcontroller.navigate with the argument. Navcontroller.navigate with the argument. ID details /42. Access in the destination backstack entity.item ID. Arguments pass data between destinations. Required or optional. Typed. A user list navigating to user details. Navhost brace composable users user list screen on user list idea list screen on user click equals brace user ID arrow navcontroller dot navigate users / user ID close brace composable users / user ID entry arrow val id equals entry dot arguments. User details screen idea list screen ID idea list brace close brace. User clicks an item navigated the detail screen extracts and uses it. This is a common pattern. List to detail navigation with past identifier. The backstack is a stack of destinations. Navigate adds to the stack that pop backstack removes. Sometimes you want special behavior. Navigate but clear history. Navigate and replace current. Navigate and replace current. Navigate home brace pop-up to home inclusive equals true close brace. This clears back to home, then navigates to home. Useful for login completion. Launch single top equals true prevents duplicate destinations. Navigate to A when already on A does nothing. Keep navigation logic at a high level. Screens should not know about routes. They receive callbacks. User list screen on user click : int arrow unit. The screen calls on user click with the ID. The host composes with navigation. On user click equals brace nav controller dot navigate user / it close brace. This separates screens from navigation. Screens are reusable. Navigation is centralized. Let us summarize. Navigation moves between destinations through a navigation graph. Nav controller handles navigation and backstack management. Navhost in Compose displays the current destination. Pass arguments through routes for data like IDs. Manage backstack with pop-up 2 and launch singletop. Keep screens decoupled from navigation by using callbacks.